More possibilities with smart accessories for Roth Touchline SL. With added smart accessories, you can expand the use of your Roth Touchline SL underfloor heating regulation system. The installation is made in the same way on all Roth Touchline SL controllers. In this example, the installation is made on a master controller with 8 channels. Adding the window sensors makes your system smarter and more energy efficient, as the heating-cooling demand will be stopped if the sensor is open. The radiator actuator enables you to control your radiators using the room thermostats or room sensors as standalone or in combination with your underfloor heating system. Inserting batteries and setup of the window sensor. Remove the lid from the window sensor to install the battery. Be aware of plus and minus polarity when inserting the battery. Please remember that a thermostat or sensor must be connected to the zone where you want to connect one or more window sensors. Press Menu and select the zone where you want to connect the window sensor. Go to the menu Window Sensors. Press Menu. You can connect up to 6 window sensors reacting with the same thermostat to each zone. Select Window Sensor 1 and confirm Register. The controller will start searching for the sensor. Briefly press the pairing button inside the sensor. When you see a red LED flash, a confirmation in the display of the controller is visible. Slide the battery lid back again. Press Menu twice to enter information of the connected sensor. Here you can see the current status of the sensor, the signal strength, and the battery level. Press Exit several times to go to the main screen. To be able to see the window sensor connected to Zone 1, press Exit and choose Zone View. Here you can see that Zone 1 has one window sensor connected to the zone. Mounting of the window sensor. Mounting the window sensor is done with the supplied double-sided tape or the small screws. When mounting the 2 parts of the window sensor, it is important to align the marking line on each part. If not, the sensor will not work correctly. Mount the sensor switch on the upper part of the window or door. Mount the magnet on the window or door sill with a gap of maximum 15 mm to the switch.